it's Mackie, as you know. So I've already reviewed this, and whilst I like it, it's not a patch on its big brother, which is this. So this is spins just like this. It's a little bit wider, similar length, maybe a little bit longer there. Everything in the top here. If you just watch this, look at that. Spins around. You ready? Look at that. Get it up, yeah, yeah. Look at that. So you can select your bits that you want in there. Now, I've had this probably about 18 months, and if I'm honest, I've broken it. So it should have a clip like this. Should have it here. And, you ready? Oh, yeah. You should have in there, there's a bit missing, broken off it. There should be another place to hold it. I am a bit rough with my tools. It's probably built for some pansy electrician, so maybe they need to toughen them up a bit for us guys, us heating engineers. So that's just a quick video. Hope you've had a good week and earned loads of money, guys. I'll be seeing you. Catch you later.